Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Indian Report. I'm going to take a different approach on the Nifty, and I'm looking at it like this now. I've got two counts here, one bullish, one bearish, but wave 1 and 2 here, and 3 and 4 here, and 5 here for wave 1 or wave A, ABC for 2 here or B, and then 1 and 2 in here, and 3 and 4 in here, and 5 here for wave 1 or wave C. If it's wave 1, then we'll pull back to the 61.8% retracement level and then move up from that point there. If it's wave C here, then we're just going to drift down here further, and we'll need to look at this here, because this is the 61.8% and it can be counted in 3 waves to this point here, so we need to be really mindful of that. So yeah, we'll need to find our way into some short positions, but let's just go in and take a closer look at how I've labeled this particular structure. So 5 waves up to wave 1 or wave A, 3 to B or 2 here, and this one here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1 and 2 here, and then 1 and 2 here, and then all of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the third wave, fourth and fifth wave here, ABC for the fourth wave. It has pulled back down to 61.8%, so a bit of a worry, but it hasn't overlapped wave 1. This move here is a bit tricky to count with this in here as such. Let's go in and have a look at that here, and we just need to bring that into perspective here. So we'll just pick it up from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 3, 4, 5 for 3. ABC for 4 here. Like I say, it's pulled back to 61.8%, so we need to still scratch our heads about that a little bit. This is all a little bit messy in here, but the way I can resolve this best would be wave 1 and 2 here, and then looking at wave 3 of 1 and 2 here, and well, I'm not worried too much about the spike there, but 3, 4 and 5 here for third, fourth and fifth wave to this place here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So like the US markets, we'll be looking for pretty much 5 waves down, probably drop a bit further, and then an A and a B and a C, and then we'll be looking for 3, 4 and 5 coming down into this space like this. So we'll allow this to finish off down here. We'll wait for the rally. The rally might even come from the 10,000, and then we'll pick it up to look on the short side for this market here. So that's about it, really. Just keeping it really sort of simple. If anybody's got any ideas about this particular count here, then I'd appreciate that. But as it stands, I mean, we're looking at the US markets unfolding in 5 waves, and that's starting to happen. So this is also going to occur here as well. So we need to be mindful of what the US is doing, and we also need to count this down here, looking at an impulse wave here. The only other way to count, no, that's not going to work either. Sorry, just my mind flips around a bit. Let's just see how this develops in the next session. We expect it to come down further, and then we'll look at the 5. Not so much worried about the 5 waves, but if we get 5 waves, then we'll get a counter trend of 3 waves, and then we can move down further from that. All right, I'm going to leave it at that today. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for the support. Cheers.